Hey, hey. Happy Friday. Are y'all as happy as some people that it's Friday? Doesn't really matter to me. I guess it does. Especially for this weekend because tomorrow we're going to my aunt's house for a pre-Thanksgiving Thanksgiving or Thanksgiving for pre-Thanksgiving. I don't know. Because I'll do it again next week with friends. Okay, so here's the deal. This weather is getting cold, it's getting dry, running the heat. So even if it's not dry, I'm running the heat and I'm wearing out my lips and I've got them all dried out and I'm eating at the skin and just yuck. But I ordered this. So let's see if this will do the trick. This is the Lip Hooray collection. Holiday Stars, just like everything else. So this has a perfect lip scrub and a perfect balm. And from what I understand, these are going to go into our regular lineup after the holidays. You'll still be able to buy them. Maybe not in the duo like this, but you'll still be able to get it. So let me break into this and see. Maybe I'll do it this way you can see it with me. It says eucalyptus and mint. So there were 4 different ones, and I only ordered one, and I got the plain one because I thought, well, I'm going to put this lip balm on at night when I go to bed, and I don't want a color all over my pillowcase. They sold out like that. There's one of them that's back, and now I'm wishing I had gotten it. It's ruby red, but it's still a light color because it's a balm. It's like a chapstick, I guess. I'm about to find out because this is the first I've seen of it. So look how cute. They just go crazy with the packaging. So does it say Lip Hooray? It does. Lip Hooray. So how does it open? I don't want to drop it. Oh, here we go. Okay, so pull it apart like that and then lift it open. So it has the scrub. There we go. A lip scrub and the perfect lip balm in mint eucalyptus. So maybe that'll help my nose stay opened up too with that eucalyptus and mint. All right, let's just look at it first. I knew I would drop something. Yep, there it went. Okay, so it's just a big fat lip balm. And like I said, this one has no color. A very light scent. I like that. Either that or I just can't breathe. I can't smell. And I'm guessing it twists, but I don't. Oh, there we go. So it twists. Here we go. I think I'm going to have to order the ruby red. What I don't know is what the fragrances are. I just haven't paid much attention to this collection for some reason. All right, I got to get this before I step on it. This was just the little cap that's going to go in the trash. But here is the lip scrub, and this is the part that I desperately need. This will exfoliate my lips, and this will hydrate my lips, and hopefully keep me from needing quite so much of this. Now let's see if there's some kind of special instructions. Okay, scoop a dime-sized amount of scrub from the pot. Scrub in a circular motion and wipe away. If desired, water may be used to rinse. Use before applying perfect lipstick or enduring lip color for smoother looking, even application. Finish with perfect lip balm to help hydrate and condition lips, or follow with desired lip color. All right, there we go. So eucalyptus and mint. And I'm just going to, I hate sticking my finger in there, but I'm the only one that's going to use it, so. Okay. Wow. It smells really good. It's not strong at all. It feels like coconut oil. I'm guessing there's coconut oil in here. Okay, in the scrub, sucrose was sugar. Sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, shea butter, synthetic beeswax. Huh. I can't say this one. Candelilla wax. Vanillin. I knew I was smelling vanilla. Oh, and then it goes into another language that I can't read. So, here's the good thing about it, which, you know, I've done a DIY lip scrub before with sugar and due date or olive oil or vegetable oil. I never thought about mixing it with coconut oil. So y'all, if you can't get this, mix you up some sugar with some coconut oil. It keeps it from being so crumbly and messy. Okay. I feel like I'm done, but I feel like I just want to keep doing it because I actually think I got too much. I think I got that wasn't even a dime size amount, and it was way more than I needed. So you could make this last way longer. All right, let me take this off. It's taking the lipstick off that I had on Enduring Lip Color. Well, it tastes sweet. But I was eating at my lips all day long, so I was glad this arrived in the mail and I was able to stop and pick it up from the mailbox when I got home today. Oh, wow. Super smooth. Okay, so next, Big Fat Lip Balm. Yep, I think I'm going to have to go order the Ruby Red. Oh, wow. That has a little tingle to it. I like that. Okay. Not quite Carmex, not quite Blistex, but it's got that eucalyptus mint to it, for sure. So, that is the Lip Hooray collection in the plain one with no color. So I need that one for nighttime so I don't get color all over my lip pillowcase. And there's your stars. And then I finally received a holiday catalog. Now, y'all, some of this stuff is already sold out. Some of this stuff just went like hotcakes because it was so great. But if you want to know what's left, let me know and I will hook you up. First page, the Soap and Joy collection. I love that soap. I love, love, love that soap. But the first one I'm going to try is the peppermint because I've already used the lemongrass and lavender and the white tea and ginger. I've already used those two. So, all right. Happy Friday night. Y'all have a great weekend. Stay warm and dry. I don't know what the weather's going to do here. I've got to look when I get off of here. Hopefully it's not going to be sloppy like it's been all day and cold. So, y'all have a great night. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all again soon. Bye.